Hello friends, today we are going to see the source of River Nile in Lake Victoria in Jinja in Uganda. These are local people who are dancing. They spend other On the banks of River Nile, I saw some girls from Orphans Group Entertainment performing their traditional Ugandan dance, accompanied by drums and improvised musical instruments. From this boat jetty, I took a motorized boat to go to the source of Nile. River Nile is the world's longest river. It starts its remarkable 6,650 kilometers, that is 4,000 miles journey from Lake Victoria. From this point, it goes northward through Sudan and Egypt and finally ending in the Mediterranean Sea. The primary source of River Nile is located in Jinja in Uganda. Jinja is often referred to as the adventure capital of Uganda. It's famous for thrilling activities such as whitewater rafting, kayaking, and bungee jumping. The original source of River Nile was identified by British explorer John Hanning Speke in 1858. The White Nile in this part of the river is a river in North and East Africa. It is less voluminous but longer and wider and shallower of the two major tributaries of the Nile, the largest being the Blue Nile. The name white comes from the clay sediment carried in the water that changes the water to a pale color. The White Nile in Uganda goes under the name Victoria Nile from Lake Victoria, where Lake Kyoga to Lake Albert, and then as the Albert Nile from there to the border with the South Sudan. The Blue Nile begins near Lake Tana in Ethiopia and flows into Sudan from the southeast. As I was cruising the boat, I could see that the left bank of River Nile was extremely beautiful and magnificent. There are many fishing villages here. I could also see many cottages and restaurants in this place. The surrounding area offers panoramic views, lush greenery, and serene landscapes that highlight this area's natural beauty. The water in this river is extremely serene and quiet. The boat was now going to the 0 point, which is the specific point at the source where water can be seen bubbling up from underground. It's notable that Mahatma Gandhi's ashes were sprinkled in the Nile, along with many other rivers in the world, as per the wishes of Mahatma Gandhi. Also, Mahatma Gandhi's birthday is celebrated every year on October 2nd. The local name of River Nile is Jira, and the local name of Victoria Lake is Nalubari. Over the years, because of several dam constructions downstream along the Nile, the water levels have increased upstream, making it sometimes impossible to step on the slab by the signpost for photos. The monument at this site is a must-see landmark. This monument marks the beginning of the Nile and offers stunning views and photo opportunities. There were several international tourists here. They were having a great time. This gentleman and a young man, they are from Netherlands, and there are some local guides also along with them.
I never come across the source of Nile in the Lake Victoria, and it's good that we came here. We came at the right time. There is no rain, and it's very sunny and bright. Okay. After a nice memorable visit, we are going back. So Israel is taking us back to the boat.
Yeah, we're now heading back.
Thank you very much. Thank you, friends.
So I had a fabulous and fantastic visit to the source of River Nile. It is so gratifying to note that Mahatma Gandhi's ashes were sprinkled in River Nile, and his birthday is celebrated every year on October 2nd in this location. After I got down from the boat, I visited some shops selling clothes and handicraft models. I could also see a local boy selling bananas to support his family. I hope you like this video. If so, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel Around the Globe by Satyan Acha. Thank you.